Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to enable or disable TWS mode for your speaker QCY SP7. So to enter to the TWS mode we need to press and hold Bluetooth button for at least 3 seconds. So 1, 2, 3. Here we go. Now it flashing blue. It's okay. So to disable TWS mode, we need to press 1 time at the speaker button. The Bluetooth button. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.